Welcome to Advanced Modification Part 2. So, due to popular request, I'm going to do a few more videos for this just to help you guys out. These can be really difficult, especially if you're not in class. So, here's your Christmas gift. We're going to do this one first. Probably going to do a couple on this video and maybe a couple on the next video. Let's see how much time I have in the next half hour of my life. Ready, set, go. We're going to do this one right here. Hopefully you have the sheet in front of you. If not, print it off. If not, sorry. Just have to flip back and forth or just follow me step by step. Hopefully you're getting some of these concepts down by now. But if not, hopefully me walking you through this will give you a little bit of a boost. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to start off by drawing a series of circles. So, here diameter. Here we go. We need one that is 0.875. Diameter 0.875. Make sure you do diameter. Important. Do another one that is a diameter of 4.625. There we go. Beautiful. Do another one. Jumping around a little bit here. That's 1.5. And then the last one is 6. Diameter of 6. So I'll take a moment to dump some measurements on here so you can see them for yourself. And hopefully this will make life a little bit easier for you as we go through this. So that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay. Pause for a minute. Pause for effect. Get it? Got it? Good. Okay. Hit line. You're going to draw a line straight down. We're going to make these little like axle spoke things. Okay. Axle spokey thingies. Do an offset of this bottom line here of looks like 0.25. 0.25. Click dump it left or right. Click dump it left. Okay, got that? Next, I need to extend these up. So I'm just going to grab these and just kind of dump them up here with straight. Or a better idea is just to do a trim, hold shift, it extends. Kind of cool, huh? Next, we're going to do some fillets. So F enter, F enter, R enter, our fillets 0.125. I'm going to hit a multiple so I don't do that again. Click your circle, click this, click your circle, click this. There you go. Okay. Erase the middle line. Next, we're going to do an array. So type in AR, click these two lines, but also make sure you click your fillets too. Otherwise, you're going to miss a whole lot. Okay. Press enter. Polar, choose the very middle of your object. Now, you're not done yet. Just wait. Change 6 to 5. Right up here where you see my mouse at. That will space it out to where it needs to be. Press close. You're good. Trim. I know the sheet, this is not trimmed. Trim this for me, please. It will help the array go over a little bit easier on you so it's not as much of a struggle. I'm going to go ahead and erase these measurements because I don't need them. You're going to get the area of this. Last thing is this little peg that goes in the middle. It's kind of hard to see on the sheet, but there's a peg here. Or what would be known as a lock mechanism. So choose line, go straight up from the middle, from the bottom quadrant of the middle circle, up 0.915. Escape. Offset. My offset is 0.125. Click, go both directions. Now here's how you finish off the peg. You're just going to click line. Draw this going straight across like this. Trim out the bottoms. Sorry, I should have said trim. Trim this, erase this, and you're done. Okay, so next we're going to do the boundary. Now, make sure when you do boundary that you can see the full object in here. Otherwise, it will not work. So, BO for boundary. Pick points. You're going to pick here, but I also need you to pick inside of each one of these. And then pick in the middle of this, so everything is chosen. Okay? And pick inside here, great too. Okay? So make sure everything's chosen, and then press enter. Now, to make sure these are correct, okay, this is not going correctly so far because we should see these things individually. So make sure we click on the right thing. So I'll have to click on these front lines to get these guys. So let's do the area. AA. Add area, object. Choose the outside. Enter. Subtract, object. Now, I'm going to pick on these insides here because I want to get these things. Boom, boom, boom. Once you're done with that, press on the F2 key. And if that doesn't come up and you're on your laptop, you may have to press Alt Escape or Function Escape in order to actually get that to work correctly. So I'm going to highlight this, press Control C, click on my screen, press Control V, dump that, and you're good to go. All right, we'll get to the next one here in just one sec. Okay, next drawing, we are going to do, just go to the list here. We did this one already. We're going to do this one right here, okay? Lots of circles. Lots of circles. All right, here we go. Been a fun day so far. All right, circles. Let's do a diameter circle. Dump one about right here. And that is going to be the one that's on top, which is 0.5. Okay, now radius circle. Same center point. Make bigger, bigger 0.5. So 2 circles, diameter of 0.5, radius of 0.5. So I'm going to click on both of these real quick, choose the middle, hit copy, move it over to the right 1.75. Okay, so we got the top done. Looks like 2 little eyeballs. They're staring at you. Creepy, huh? So draw a line on top here, so that's done. Okay, so now we're going to need to draw some lines to plot out where the circles are going to be located at. So I'm going to click this right-hand side here. Move your mouse down, 1.5. Move your mouse to the left, 0.5. So, retrospect, 1.5 down, 0.5 over. Okay? Try not to go too fast on this one. Going to go down now 1.375. Go to the left. Looks like 2.25. 2.25. Okay. Now, here's what I'm going to do next. I am going to grab these 2 circles right here, hit the middle, and go copy. Dump this one right here. Press escape. So do that real quick. Okay. Next, I'm going to highlight both of these. I'm going to click the middle again, hit copy, go to the left, and that is a total of 5.125. So over 5.125. I just don't feel like drawing lines anymore than I really have to. Okay. Next, we're going to do the other circles at the bottom. So these are a diameter right here of 0.375, 375. Okay. And then another one with a radius. Probably getting tired of me going diameter, radius, diameter, radius. Make up your mind, boys. 0.75. Okay. Click these 2. I'm going to click the middle once again. Go copy, go left, and left goes over 1.875. Done. Okay. We've done most of the hard part right now. Okay. Let's start drawing some lines. I'm going to erase my lines because we're all finished with these. We'll get that little circle there in the middle here in just a little bit. Okay. So, here's how we're going to start this off. So line, draw a line straight up here to this quadrant right there. And then we're going to do a fillet. F enter, R enter, radius 0.5. Click and click. Okay. Next, the line from here to here. L enter, type tan, as in you got a tan this summer. Type tan again. Click here. Doesn't matter where you click, it will snap onto it. Hit a line down here too. All right, right here, we're going to do a fillet. F enter, R enter, 0.75, enter, click, and there you go. Okay, so next I'm going to draw a line that goes all the way this way and just kind of stop about right here. Actually, yes, stop about right there. Made a small mistake. I was doing some thinking. Don't have this line here right now. We're going to actually make this towards the exact measurement. So I figured out with my math brain here that it is that this line is supposed to be 4 1/4, 4.25. That looks right. Okay, here's how we do this. Then draw a line up 0.25. This is where your circle goes. So circle is a 0.25 radius. I'm just going to go like this and like this. Then grab your line, go from here to here. You are done, my friend. Trim out. Probably just have enough time on this one to do the area, and that'll be it for time on this video. Yeah, it looks about right. Okay. Area. Boundary first. Give me the boundary answers. Man, I'm generous. I'm almost like Santa Claus. Click in the middle. There you go. AA. Add area. Object. Choose your object. Enter. Subtract. Area. Object. Oops. Wrong one. Subtract. Object. Sorry. Make these brown. There's my answer, 14.4708. So once again, I'm going to press F2 on my keyboard, highlight this, press Control C, click over here, press Control V, dump that, done. All right. Hopefully this helped you out on these two drawings. See you in the next video. Bye.